Almost every powerful AI you use today, from ChatGPT to the latest image generators, it's all powered by one single core idea. That idea is called the transformer. And in the next few minutes, we're going to break down exactly what that is, and more importantly, why it completely changed the game.
Really think about it for a second. When you type something into an AI, it's just seeing a string of characters. So how does it go from that, just a bunch of letters, to actually getting the meaning? The relationship between the words, the context, all that nuance. That's the big puzzle AI needed to solve. So to really appreciate just how much of a breakthrough the transformer is, we have to kind of rewind the clock. We need to look at the old way of doing things and understand why it was hitting a massive wall.
See, the early AI models tried to copy how we read, one word at a time, from left to right. These were called recurrent neural networks, or RNNs. The whole idea was you read a word, you remember it, you read the next word, and so on. It sounds logical, right? But this step-by-step approach had a couple of huge problems.
First off, reading word by word is just incredibly slow. But the bigger issue, the real killer, was that these models had a terrible memory. By the time they got to the end of a long paragraph, they'd pretty much forgotten what was said at the beginning. They just lost the context. So the transformer came along with this radical idea. What if instead of reading in a line, the AI could look at every single word in the sentence at the exact same time?
And that wild idea? Well, that's what leads us to the breakthrough, the core concept that makes all of this work. It's an idea so powerful, it basically flipped the entire field of AI on its head, and it's called attention.
Okay, let's see how this works with a quick test. Just look at this sentence. The animal didn't cross the street because it was tired. For a person, understanding this is a piece of cake. But for an AI, there's a really important question hiding in there. So, let me just ask you. In that sentence, what does the word it refer to? Is it the animal or is it the street? Of course, you knew it instantly. It refers to the animal. A street can't be tired, right? Your brain made that connection by understanding the context. Well, this is exactly what a transformer does, using that mechanism we just mentioned, attention. It links the word it all the way back to the word animal. So, how does an AI actually pull that off? This is where we get into the real secret sauce of the whole model, a process called self-attention. And self-attention is pretty much what it sounds like. For every single word in the sentence, the model looks at all the other words around it and basically asks, hey, which of you guys are the most relevant to me? Which of you help define what I mean in this particular sentence? It does this in about 3 steps. So first, a word. Let's stick with our word it. It looks at every other word in the sentence. Then, it gives out importance scores. It gives a really high score to the word animal and a super low score to words like street and cross. Finally, it uses those scores to build a new, much smarter, context-aware meaning for itself.
And here is the absolute key. The thing that makes this so revolutionary. This whole process, it's not happening one word at a time. It's happening for every word in the sentence, all at the exact same moment. It's one massive parallel calculation, and that's what makes transformers unbelievably fast and efficient.
Okay, but wait. If the model looks at all the words at the same time, that actually creates a brand new problem. A pretty big one. So let's look at the full blueprint to see what that is, and more importantly, how the transformer solves it. So here's the question. If you're not reading from left to right anymore, how in the world do you know the original order of the words? How do you know which one came first, second, or last?
And word order is everything, right? Dog bites man and man bites dog use the exact same words, but they mean completely different things, and AI has to be able to tell the difference.
The solution is actually really simple, but it's super clever. It's called positional encoding. Think of it like this. Before the model does anything, it gives each word a little label, a number that says you're in spot number 1, you're in spot number 2, you're in spot number 3, and so on. That way, even though it processes all the words at once, it never loses track of the original order.
So, when you boil it down, the transformer has 2 main parts. The first part is the encoder. You can think of it as the reader. Its only job is to deeply understand the meaning of whatever text you give it. The second part is the decoder, and that's the writer. Its job is to generate new text one word at a time. Some AIs are just readers, some are just writers, and some, like for language translation, have to be both.
Okay, so we've gotten into the nuts and bolts, but let's zoom out a bit. Why was this such a huge deal? Why did this one change in architecture lead to the crazy AI revolution we're all seeing today?
Well, it's because it gave AI a whole new set of superpowers. Transformers are lightning fast, thanks to all that parallel processing. They're deeply aware of context because of self-attention. They're awesome with long documents because they don't forget what happened at the start. And maybe the most important thing of all, they're highly scalable, which just means the bigger you build them, the smarter they tend to get.
And this isn't just theory. You're using this technology constantly. The chatbots you talk to, transformers. The instant language translation on your phone, transformers. Those advanced search engines that just seem to get your question, yep. Even the tools that generate code or create images, at their core, they're all powered by the same idea.
So, if there's one key takeaway, one sentence to remember from all of this, it's this right here. Transformers understand language by letting every single word look at every other word using attention, and they do it all at once.